welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika, the channel where we make amazing jewelries, craft ideas, a lot more. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful pendant using a dry clean paper clay. So let's dive in with this particular tutorial. But consider clicking the like button, guys. I really appreciate that. If you want more such video in the future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever I'm gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, if you're interested in making beautiful jewelry, then we have a top 100 jewelry clay patterns or simply a pattern ideas. The PDF, the link is in description box below, which you can download it. You can take a printout of it. You can use these pattern for creating your own jewelry line for your business, or for making the jewelry for yourself or for anyone. So make sure you download. The link is in description box below. Without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. let's just assemble the elastic thread into that and finish with this necklace. You can engage whatever thread you want to. I'm just going to engage it once. Finally, engage this beautiful ornament into the elastic thread. Hopefully you find this tutorial useful. Let me know